Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to write second in Canva, perfect for adding that professional touch to your designs. This method is quick, easy, and only takes a few minutes, so let's dive in. First, open Canva and load your current project. Whether you're working on a presentation, social media graphic, or document, this trick works everywhere. Next, add a text box to your design. You can do this by selecting the text option from the left-hand menu and clicking Add a text box. Once it's on your canvas, type a letter. Let's use X as an example. This will act as a placeholder for the text you want to turn into a superscript. Now comes the magic. If you're on Windows, press Windows key plus period. This opens up the emoji and symbols panel. Don't worry, we're not adding emojis here, we're going for symbols. Click on the Symbols tab, scroll to the Math Symbols section, and find the superscript 2. Click it, and just like that, it appears in your text box. Your X is now followed by a perfectly formatted superscript 2, exactly what you need to write second in your designs. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've elevated your Canva text with a polished, professional look. This trick works with any text, so experiment and see how it enhances your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a design tip. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.